We are drawing a porcupine today. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks, and we are continuing on with our creating a coloring book. We're on volume 3, African Critters, and we'll get right into the porcupine. So the porcupine, there's different varieties all over the world. This one is one of the African porcupines. I guess it could be a crested porcupine. I don't know. I just saw a bunch of examples and just decided to draw one. Thought it was pretty cute. It's not cuddly. Porcupines are like quicksand. It's one of the things I would run into in my life and have a problem with, and have not yet. So all the little cartoons that you watch, you see quicksand and porcupines sticking you. Never has happened. And there's a lot of myths around porcupines. One in particular, they can't shoot their quills, but if you touch them, they come out quite easily. I remember seeing cartoons as a kid where I'd see the porcupine throw them. I don't know. I didn't research enough. Maybe there are some that throw them. Let me know in the comments if you find that out. I'd be curious. The quills I thought would be the hardest part, and it wasn't. I say hard. This is not a hard job. It's a fun job drawing, but I thought they would be more complicated. Keeping my hands straight. I did waver a little bit on a couple of them, but that just adds to the realism that this is a hand-drawn coloring book. It's not AI. Everything that goes into my coloring books you see right here, and watch me draw it. I've got farm critters and ocean critters available on Amazon for sale right now. The link is in the description. Look them up. And that's, I'm not looking to get rich on this. I enjoy this. This has been a fun project for me. I realize I like creating, and my daughter is really enjoying coloring these pictures. So at the very end, I'll have another picture that she's done that you can see that she's done left-handed. So here's my final drawing of a porcupine, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.